everyone. In today's session, we are going to learn about diphthongs. What is this diphthongs? Okay, watch this video fully to know about diphthongs. Diphthongs are a sound formed by the combination of two vowels in a single syllable word. So as it clearly explained, a sound formed by the combination of two vowels. So wherever you can see two vowels in a single syllable word, then it is called diphthongs. These two vowels will give one sound. These two vowels jointly make one sound. That's what we will say as long vowel. And sometimes this two vowel will make one new sound also. Let me see the forms of two vowels. So here there are diphthongs. What are the formation of diphthongs? They have given clearly. A, W and AU give same sound as the sound of AU is hall, straw. Hall and straw, this last two letters A and U, A and W gives only one sound. If you pronounce all these words, you can understand the sounds. Straw, law, fault, halt. These all have same sound. As now you see E, W and O. It will give the same sound. Brew, it gives U sound. U, dew, chew, few. And here same O sound. O gives U sound. Food, zoom, room, etc. Now OI and OY act as same. Boy, toy, boil, coin, oil. These two letters will give the same similar sounds. Same in OW and OU. And these are also some examples of diphthongs. So here I have given separate words. No, these words you can see in the future videos as long vowels. So E and IE all gives different sounds, and AY make a different sound. IGH is a combination of single sound. Like that, all this are explained in the future videos. Kindly check out all the videos. Thank you.